In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to redeem a voucher. Now, you bought a voucher by going to gift voucher at the bottom of our page. You paid, you put your credit card detail and you paid, okay? That's fine. To find your voucher, you have two ways. Either you click on login and go to my voucher and copy your gift voucher number. So login, my voucher. The other alternative is to go to your email, to the gift voucher that you receive, copy the voucher code here, okay? So when you have your voucher code copied, you go to the website, you go to your environment, click on login, and go to My Trips, and click on See Details, Edit or Pay. You will have to go to the Pay section. So either you click Pay or you scroll down. If you click Pay, note that you have to go slightly up to find this section here and paste it. Then click on Apply Voucher. Now, once the voucher has been applied, you will see that it's partially paid, or if your voucher is the value of the full trip, it's going to be fully paid. If you scroll down, you will see that a payment has been received of 20 euro, and the outstanding balance is basically 646, which is 666 minus the 20 euro. So that's simple like that. Another way to access your booking, if you want, it's to go to your email, find an email that we send you, and click on Make a Payment or Manage Your Trips. Okay? Now, once the voucher has been applied, you receive an email confirmation that your payment has been applied. Excuse me for the broken images. It's just for the test. In live, the images are perfect, okay? So you see, I received an email that my voucher has been applied and that my balance is 666 minus 646. Thank you.